Gala is at 0.035 or so, which is about what most people thought. The present pretty Gala price is 0.026.24 per hour of trading volume 4, but Gala is really moving at 54,981,497 against what most people think. Bears have full power over how Gala's price moves right now, which is a very important fact. July 27, 2023, in this video, we will take you through a beautiful Gala price examination for now or for very 1 week from now and try to answer these frequently asked questions about important facts. What is a particularly short-term price expectation for Gala? Gala is usually a good bet because it has a lot of support and opposition. Bitcoin has 48.37% of the entry market while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which has resulted in Bitcoin's cost fallen to 29,837.66 after a decay of 0.14. In an unpretentious matter, various elected digital currencies as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 18.99.9 cents amid the previous 24 hours, demonstrating how the current very Gala cost truly is 0.026.24%. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a cost difference of 5.65 inside a similar time span, demonstrating how various selective digital currencies as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 18.99.09 during the previous 24 hours, demonstrating how truly current sort of Gala cost for the most part is 0.026.24 hour exchanging volume 4 by and large Gala, truly the local coin of BNB, has risen by 0.18% and is currently trading at 240.64 cents, and a fundamentally huge matter. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents following a 0.77 decrease in esteem, which is essentially truly critical in every way. These events show that the market is going down right now, or at least that's what most people thought. Right now, the crypto market as a whole is taking a big drop, which shows that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents after a price difference of 5.65 in the same amount of time. This shows how many other digital currencies, such as Ethereum certs, are also going down. Gala, support and resistance are important technical indicators that are used to usually find really important price levels where the trend can change direction, and a generally important level at which buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from falling any further, which in every practical sense is really important. Also, competition is a level where dealers get more active and stop the coin's price from going up in a quiet way. The current Gala price is 0.026. with a trading volume of 54,981,497, and the last 24 hours have been quiet. Examined a Gala cost is really Gala cost. The analysis for July 27, 2023, and the day-to-day time period are shown below. This shows that there is currently a fundamentally bad drop in the crypto market. This is shown by the fact that XRP is trading at 80 cents after a price difference of $5.65 in the same time period. This shows how some digital currencies, like Ethereum, have seen a price increase. Fairly Gala levels are backed by MAT. 24-hour trading volume is floating at 54,981,497 multiple time span moving midpoints. Including really basic moving, the market lost $1.84 in the last 24 hours, bringing the total cryptographic money market to $1.198, 816, 76, 743, which is a big deal. The Gala's Williams percent or marker is at 72.181 for the last 14 days, showing that it is in an unbiased state. An exchange in every way that matters signal is possible at this point, which means that market analysis over the last 24 hours showed a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1,198,816,137,433, which is very big. As a result of the Federal Reserve's 25 basis point rate hike, the Gala has mostly broken all marks. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $29.464, which is a small increase of 0.5% from Thursday. The Federal Reserve's move to raise the federal funds rate by 25 basis points has caused the price of Bitcoin to drop by almost 3% in the last week, even though the economy is growing slowly. The move to tighten monetary policy by the central bank has put some downward pressure on the price of Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points, even though economic growth has been slow. Recently, this decision was expected and had already been priced in, so BTC got better the next day. According to the most recent report from the Federal Open Market Committee, the goal of the rate hike was to keep inflation under control. The person in charge of the Fed said that a rate change or a pause could happen in September, but the group hasn't decided when it will meet next. On July 27, the European Central Bank is expected to raise interest rates by another 25 basis points. Even though the economy is growing slowly, the Federal Reserve recently raised the federal funds rate by 25 basis points. This could put some pressure on the Bitcoin market to sell. The Japan Central Bank is also thinking about whether or not to raise interest rates, which could make Friday a very busy day. Even though the decision was expected and already taken into account, it had a mixed effect on the price of Bitcoin. How much will Bitcoin cost the next day? Hovered near $29,500 on August 10 as markets braced for a fresh United States Consumer Price Index (CPI) print. Trader warns of Bitcoin downside despite CPI volatility. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC price action stabilizing in the run-up to the CPI release, itself a classic volatility catalyst. CPI is one of the key elements for the Federal Reserve when deciding interest rate policy. Last month's June readout was the lowest in 2 years, with expectations broadly pointing to another drop for July. 3.3% are the expectations, but are we going to get it and what will the markets do? Michael Van de Poppy, founder and CEO of trading firm 8, queried in part of an X post on the topic. Van de Poppy noted that there appeared to be a chance that CPI could rise, something which would pressure risk assets, including crypto, which favor looser Fed policy. JP Morgan Chase was among those warning of a re-acceleration in CPI values. The major uncertainties concerned two issues that were previously seen as unlikely to undermine the July numbers: the direct and indirect price pass-throughs of the recent increase in energy and food prices, and the relative stubbornness of service inflation, economist Mohamed El-Arian explained in part of the day's analysis.